Hello people, welcome to my channel Physio Guide by Divya. So today I'm going to teach about humidification topic. So what is humidification and where it is used? In physiotherapy department also it plays a main role. So watch this video till end and you'll understand this topic clearly. So first of all, humidification. It is a machine that puts moisture in air. Moisture means slightly or moderately wet in air, that may be hot or cool. Okay, applying this, it is easier for patients who are suffering with different conditions like cystic fibrosis, etc. For them we can give. Now we'll read the definition. Air is moistured as a tool, slightly wet like that, because it is passed through the water vapor. Its air is moistured because it's passed through water vapor, means the gas phase of water. Patient is asked to inspire the air by face mask or by mouthpiece. Normally, air passing through nose and pharynx is continuously moisturizing the respiratory mucus. Respiratory mucus means that respiratory system, that respiratory tract, respiratory system lined with a mucous membrane that secretes a mucus. Okay, that secretes a mucus, so it's moistured. If this is insufficient, celiac action is impaired. So if this is not working properly, the cilia present here will not work properly, and it will get damaged. The bacteria will go inside and there will be cause of any more diseases, infections. Okay, so cilia what they do is they stop the dust from going inside. If this is inefficient, celiac action is impaired and secretions are viscid. Viscid means that sticky consistency like present mucus. So need of humidification to lose viscid and thick secretions. Again, what is humidification? Humidification is moisturing of air and gases. This is normal function of upper respiratory tract. If this is insufficient, then artificial humidification is required. For who will give this humidification? Indications for patients with tracheostomy, endotracheal tube. I'll show the pictures. First one is tracheostomy, where tube is inserted through neck. Second is endotracheal tube, where tube is inserted through mouth. And patients with oxygen mask, for who will keep the oxygen mask, for them will apply humidification, will give. When thick secretions are present also will give. So why we should choose of humidifier means for who means patient with dry gases, like for them ultrasonic type of humidification is given, like vibrating sound like ultrasonic inside vibrating particles like ultrasonic type humidification is given. And the patients with respiratory failure, for like chronic bronchitis, asthma, emphysema, for them disposal humidification means used through like that humidification is given. And by this disposal humidification, it can deliver less than 28% of oxygen with warm humidification. Okay, now method, how to what are the methods in this humidification? That means firstly, humidification is given by a wide boring tube like it will be wide boring tube. Short period of humidification is given for patients given before chest clearance done for patient who is not intubated but breathe freely. This is a nebulizer. It's a nebulizer method only, we will say. Before giving chest clearance, we'll give a short period of humidification because it works properly, so that chest clearance will be easy for them. And the patient with the tracheostomy tube, tracheal tube, Brompton tube is used for them. This tube, additionally, this Brompton tube is used, and it is a plastic tube and can fit into humidification this will fit into the wide boring tube. And other one is the disposable tracheostomy mask made up of plastic, which is flexible. Next, a patient with interrupted IPPV ventilation also need for them also humidification fitted with ventilators only. So heated humidifiers of about 34 degrees centigrade plus or minus 2 degrees centigrade is used, and it's kept at endotracheal tube or in a tracheostomy. So what are the types? In this there are the two types, supplies and installation. Installation means in this water is added to the airways. Water is added to it by syringe, by injection or drip set or pump called installation. Okay, now supplies. In this there are four types. They are subdivided into ambient temperature, vapor supplies. In this type of humidification obtained through water with the tiny bubbles at room temperature, it's formed. And in heated vapor supplies, in this hot water is taken with gas, hot water with the gas, and patient tube is heated with this is a fish it will be, this machine will be a Fisher Paykel device to prevent temperature loss. I'll show the picture. The thermometer is attached, so it gives feedback about delivering. So by keeping this thermometer, it will check the temperature and delivering gas at over 39 degrees. Okay, then the thermometer has cuff off means it will be tight if temperature is more than this, as it will not be tolerated by patient. Okay, it is checked and given. Now, ambient aerosol supplies. This works as the Bernoulli's principle. What is this Bernoulli principle means? This is a fluid particle. The fluid particle moves faster and the pressure will decrease. So it depends on all this. So this works on Bernoulli's principle. Some types of aerosol are bird, Ohio, barn, inspiron, mist of liquid water produced by three ways: high pressure gas jet on an anvil. Anvil means this is a machine, this is a metal, it's a working tool, we'll say, for shaping of metals. And high speed spinning disc, ultrasonic vibratory crystals. So air is forced through fine film of water that produce dense mist. Mist means a small droplets in the air. Okay, small droplets in air like that. Now, heated aerosol suppliers. In this type, heated water is used along with nebulizing drug. This also works as a Bernoulli's principle and care of the thermal safety is taken. Okay. I hope you understood. Once take a look at it. Thank you for watching my video.